So some of our friends, they just went into town. They arrived last night here at the camp. Anyways, I guess there's a man here in the area that is selling these bowls. I don't know much about them really. So I don't know if it's something he makes, but ooh, look at this. I wonder if they're heavy. Yeah, they're pretty heavy. Beautiful. Look at that. Let me get out of the sun and show you. How is it churning? Oh, it's on a Lazy Susan. Very nice. My brother-in-law does beautiful work. I should show him these. And this just looks like a little mushroom. Really pretty with that blue color again. And you got this little bowl. Nice little stash bowl. I think about that. So do they all? Oh, they all come with that little Lazy Susan there. Very nice. So I'm gonna go take the van over there and take a few pictures. I think it's really pretty by the cactus. I like that. All right, we'll be back.